Someone said to me, hey Jamie, I really wish I could get in better shape, but I don't have all this cool stuff you have, like a running trail and a running track and a chin-up bar and a rope to climb and blah, 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 blah. And I said to him, hold your breath. Let me make a video. So here's a video. And this is for anyone who needs an excuse to get rid of your excuses. Now, I'm supposed to do a long run on my running trail this morning, but it's soaking wet out. The running trail's a muddy mess. It's no good for running. So I'm gonna do a workout inside my house, except half of my house is filled with stacks of wood. I hardly have any space, right? But you don't need much to do a good workout. All you need is some clothes you're willing to get sweaty. You don't even need shoes. You don't need any fancy equipment. You don't need anything. Now, in this, I'm wearing a weight vest and some wrist weights and heavy boots, but that's because that's the workout I was gonna do. You don't need any of that, and part of the reason I do that is because I don't have any fat on me. If you get some fat on you, that's your extra weight, so use that. Beautiful, right? And there are always a million excuses, but there's always two ways to look at every excuse. So I've been carrying wood all week, and it was heavy and it was long hours and just lugging this wood around. My muscles are already sore. So that's an excuse to not do the exercises, right? No, because if you look at it the other way, you say, my muscles are already sore. That means they're primed to get stronger. I'm gonna be in the strengthening zone right at the beginning of my exercises for the whole thing. Or like it's my son's birthday today, and if I skip morning exercises, I could get there an hour earlier, right? Except my son thinks that I am a frickin' superhero because I do these morning exercises every day. And if I do the morning exercise, like I do every day, then I'm always in a good mood for the rest of the day, and I just feel great about everything. So there's always two sides to every excuse. So look at the side that's motivation, not excuse to not do it. Okay, so how do you get a workout in when you hardly have any space? All I have here is a little bit of floor. Most of my house is filled with wood. So use your imagination. Come up with a bunch of exercises. I happen to have about a 10-meter, sort of like a hallway here, and it's not even straight. It has a zigzag in the middle. So I come up with, 20 or 30 exercises. I don't even know how many it is. So I run to the end and back. Then I run to the end and back doing arm circles. Then I run to the end and back, hopping on one foot 3 times, then the other foot 3 times. Then run backwards, high knees, butt kicks, just a whole bunch of different exercises, right? There and back and there and back and there and back. And when I'm done all my exercises, that's 1. And before I started, I laid out 10 bolts. And it could be 10 rocks, 10 pencils, 10 Tic Tacs, whatever. And every time I finish one set, I take a bolt and I put it away. And here I am doing set number 10. I've got 1 bolt left. So this one's gonna be pretty sloppy looking, sorry. But it's just to show you, you really don't need anything. Now there are legitimate, real excuses to stop. And the only reasons I will stop is to get a drink of water, if I'm about to be injured, or in this case to hit the record button on the camera. Other than that, all the other excuses are totally irrelevant. They're motivations, not excuses. Now, if you're just starting, just pick a few different exercises. Two or three exercises is plenty. If you've been working out, you're in good shape, and this is supposed to replace a hard, intense workout, pick some hard exercises and go do those. Whatever it is, use your imagination. There's always something you can do, man. And I tell you, you do morning exercises every day, it really sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Just imagine going to work and everyone gets there and they're like, hey Bob. Yeah, Tim, how's it going, man? Oh, hey Susie, how's it going? And everyone's just kind of like got their coffee and they're kind of like waking up. But you have already slayed dragons and you are ready to go. I know I said you don't need anything other than a floor, but my last exercise is the rope. And the only reason not to include it will be to make a point, and that would be stupid. So I'm leaving it in. Come on. Yeah. All right. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Hold on. Okay, now here's what you do. Turn off your computer, stand up, turn around, and go. Or do whatever you want. I don't know.